What's new in May 2021 in Qlik Sense SaaS? You've got the ability to profile any data files that you've got here. So I've just got QVDs, but this could be against CSV files, etc. So all you need to do is navigate to a data file within your Qlik Sense SaaS environment. Click on the three dots and then profile data. And here you can see it gives you some key KPIs and visually shows you your data. So it splits it out per field. So here we can see the averages. We've also got a count of distinct values in there, and we've got the ability to switch this up into a list view. So we've got the tile view previously. This is the grid view, and you've got those kind of key KPIs. So you've got sum, min, max, and average. So all really good, useful information, and I see this getting further, having more capability going forward there as well.